Hi, today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to keep your laptop on when closed on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC. Of course, that contains Windows 11. And of course, if you are a Windows 10 user and you would like to go into Windows 11, you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or apps for you, so don't worry about that. But if you are Windows 10, of course, sorry, but of course if you're on Windows 11 user, you'll not worry about that because you are already have it. And of course you can run the installation of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. And of course once the download or the installation finished, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. Of course, while the download, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. And of course, once you upgraded, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. But I bet when you get used to Windows 11, you will like it even much better and you'll not go back. Of course, just a personal opinion. So as we said, is we would like to keep the laptop on when it closed on Windows 11. So it's simple if you want to do that. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your control panel. Of course, for me, I'm just going to open that. You can just go and hit your Windows key on your keyboard and type control panel. That will be it. Just go and open it up. And now you'd like to, and now make sure, sorry, and now make sure to select this hardware and sound. And here, make sure to just go and select this power options. Of course, here on the left panel, you'd like to select choose what the power buttons do. So once you click on it, you'll find this power button here. So of course here, instead of like shutting down, you'd like to choose if you want to keep it on. You can just go and make it on sleep. And of course, if you want to let it hibernate, or if you want just to turn off the display and let the PC opens, choose whatever you want. Once you finish, you would like to save the changes and go and click at the X and it'll be good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.